Hello everyone, Cryptic Psycho here, and today I'm going to be playing Chaac solo, which should be quite interesting. So Chaac is actually a very interesting character. For one of the things, he does probably the best solo god at the moment, to me. Does a lot of damage and is very tanky, and has got great sustain thanks to his passive. So I'm going to run through his abilities quickly. His passive is called Overthrow, so basically after 5 basic attacks, the totem on my left will light up and he'll get a free ability, which will cost no mana at all. So it's actually a very good... around. No, okay, good. So it's actually a very good ability. Oh yeah, lifesteal, I was going to say. So extremely good of it. Passive. First ability is called he just did. We both did that at the same time. Anyway, second ability is called Torrent. So he spins around in a circle doing damage. Now, people don't often, me included, I don't often max that out until right at the end. Just because the one does more damage and it's basically a poke. And you kind of need the heal. That's what gives him all the sustain. Third ability summons a rainstorm. You need to get more aggressive now. Nope. No, we don't. Third ability, he summons a rainstorm at his location and it slows enemies and heals him. And one thing you do need to remember, I forgot to mention this, if you look at the one, when I throw it, it will stay in the ground, and when it stays in the ground, if I activate my 2 now, I will go to that location doing extra damage and then executing the move. And if I use my 3, I will summon another storm at the same location. So that's good to keep in mind. Anyway, so his ultimate is called Thunderstrike. So he jumps up into the air, slams down, and does a bunch of damage. If it's activated within range of his strike, sorry, not activated, detonated, he will do extra damage. So basically it's super charged, which is quite cool. Bear that in mind. You won't always be able to do that. God, they are aggressive. And Mercury seems to be standing up, so which makes it quite awkward for me. You cannot hit that, can you? Come on, come in this circle. Don't come in this circle. Right? He's very passive, which would make it quite difficult for me. Anyway, I'm gonna be up against Hell, it looks like. So that should be interesting. She's gonna annoy me with her heals, considering that is, look, watch this, heal. Do that. Nice, good intercept, good intercept.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Damage. Good damage. One thing I would recommend with Chaac is build crit strike. Sorry, not crit strike. Build with attack speed. Attack speed and defense. That's what you need, to be honest. Very good with attack speed. There we go. Thank you. So I now have my... I'm going to try and activate my passive. I won't be able to because they kill them all. Those minions. Anyway, so it's not a bad start, I guess. We seem to be equal. Hell's level 5, I'm level 5. To be fair, to her level 5 does nothing.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, crap.
Enemy incoming middle.
Alright, so Hell's come back.
An enemy has been
So we're 1 for 3, which isn't good. Should be able to clear this out. Right, so he has quite a good clear. Bear that in mind. But you need a combo. It's not like Ra or Poseidon where they just one-shot it and take out the entire wave. So I have my passive. Why did she just heal? Oh no, she healed herself. Okay, fair enough. That's the damage. I'm not really worried at the moment. She won't do much damage this early on. Bollocks! I slipped. My chair moved back suddenly. Sorry about that. Alright, so let's see what happens.
Enemies have returned to base.
So she's very low mana. One thing about Hell is to heal herself back up, it costs a lot of mana. For me, it costs almost none. Oh, they're talking about me then.
Incoming middle attack.
And plus, I can get it free. If you're running away, try and get a few basic attacks
Ally
in,
has been
call your free
slain.
in. By the way, if you are running away, here's a tip. Throw your one anywhere in front of you, and then activate your free, because it creates another storm, especially in the jungle, which will slow them down quite a lot. She's returned to base. This gives me some time to... once I've cleared this, I'm going to go get jungle camp. Do this. Heal up a bit. That heals really good. Really good. Get my passive in place.
Right leg.
Like I said, Chaac is a really good character.
An ally has been slain.
Put point in my free just for the healing. She's gonna go for me. Yeah. If she's smart, she'll go for. See, I can heal myself up now. Dun 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 dun
Enemy
dun.
missing middle.
See, look, she's used quite a lot of mana already, so she's gonna. What's she got? I think she's gonna get something involved with mana. If she's smart, she will. I'm not quite sure with the two. It seems that it only does damage at the last part. If you look, there's a slight second delay as he spins round, and it only does damage at the end.
Enemy
Try and
missing
keep
middle.
hell off him for a bit. Let him do a bit. Nope. Bollocks, she saw it. I was hoping she hadn't. So 34 to my 37. So I'm actually ahead at the moment, which is quite good. I don't get what Herald's doing, to be honest. Heal.
An enemy has been
He has
slain.
so much sustain, it's so fun to play. Now see, storm at the
Middle leg.
where my axe is. Is it worth this? No, just let them. Let him come. Let him come.
Killing spree.
I've had my free I'd heal up a bit. You know, I could just do this. This early on, she's not gonna have enough damage to really annoy me. Dun, dun, dun. See, slight second delay, just only slightly, but it's there. It is there. Believe me. Anyway, so I still have my 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 buff at the moment, so I'm just going to heal up a bit. 17
Enemy
per
missing middle.
second.
Careful. Right.
This is insane. Can you imagine if healing could crit? It's kind of random, but could you imagine? Get that out. Jesus, she wants it. She wants it. Calm down.
Enemies have
Calm down,
returned.
woman. Calm down. It should be good. I'm going to return home. Nope, she won't let me. She does not want to let me. Let's go return to base here.
Retreat. Right leg.
I don't know what she's trying to do. Anyway, so let's return. We'll finish this off. And then start.
Careful.
What do I want to
An
do?
enemy has been
It's not doing any damage. Get a health pot. 2 mana. Let's go.
Your left. An ally
What's she got?
has been slain.
Meditation.
An ally
Fair,
has
it's being
been
smart.
slain.
It's being smart. One annoying thing about being Chaac and so lane, one a bad thing.
Out of mana.
If your minions get into a tower, within range of a tower, you can't really go and attack it if there's a god there.
Falling back. An ally. has left the game.
Especially early. What the hell? Is he doing bad?
Awesome.
Sorry, what? Oh,
Your
no,
left
he's doing
tower
well.
is under attack.
Look, she can stand off and keep it there. She's healed up again. She can stand off there, but I can't. I have to get involved or I can't do anything,
Enemy
which is very
coming
annoying.
right.
Dun 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 dun. I get a free hit now. God, she does not like me. She can go for me what she wants, I'm not that bothered.
Under attack.
Good point in my free, your 2. For me, your 2 is just a clear way. I'm now going to start upgrading my 2, but early on there's not much use for it. Especially, you kind of need the heals for Chaac.
Has been slain.
Dun 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 dun.
Enemies have returned to middle.
Yes! G to the G, mate. G to the G. Yeah, it barely does any damage.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Attack speed for the win. That went well. Right, so she is getting a bit of a clear. I'm gonna go get this. Just for the heals. So he's gonna be... he's not that far behind.
An enemy. You rock.
See what it only does at the end. Weird.
You rock.
Clear that, go back,
Be right back.
heal up. I should be good to go.
Careful, right.
I actually recorded a Chaac gameplay earlier and I did quite well, but my game crashed. Which, you know, was great, because Smite does that. And I actually did quite well, and then my game crashed. So I was about 3 levels behind everybody else there. It's okay. Did I nick it? Did I nick it? Did I nick it? Did I nick it? Thank you. Sorry, that was too much fun. She mad, she's so mad. Oh, she mad! She mad! She mad! Oh, she mad! Oh god, she mad. That worked so much better than I ever thought it would. I thought I was going to go in there, she would take it, and then I'd get my ass kicked. Oh god, that was fun. Not better than I thought. Bollocks, I thought the axe was still there. Damn it! So she's cleared that out. She's angry. She's so mad. Oh, she's so mad. Mercury, help me, help me. And we can get a kill, we can get a kill. Work together, man. Nice, good play. Cheers.
Enemy incoming middle.
That.
Your middle tower is under attack.
We did a lot of damage there. I mean, on what? We did 100 damage. You cannot compete with that. He's quite low on health already. So our mid is losing. I am winning this lane. We're going 8 for 9. So gold difference. They have about 600 gold on us. I don't know why I did that. I'm not really bothered if he does that. Try to finish it off. Nope. Cannot go. Stop moving. Stop wiggling. It's annoying. Go on. Is he one of those guys to come and try and stop me? He's not. Good. Finish that off. What do you think? What do you think I should go? I'm doing quite well, and hell's not really threatening me at the moment, so I might go that. Or I could go Void Shield. No, I'm gonna go that Void Shield. Yeah, that Void Shield, and then yeah. Okay, I got it. Why? There's no way they're attacking Gold Fury yet. There's just no way. They probably think they're winning. They are. They have every right to think that, because they are.
Your middle tower has been destroyed.
I'm gonna gank mid. So mad. I slayed him. Jesus, I didn't think I was that good. So push mid. Push mid. Apparently. Guys, gank mid. I won't be able to get this, I won't be able to get it. Screw this! No! So close, god damn it. You can go push left. You know what, I'll stay here. Oh, no, bad. Oh, you missed this slow. I'm gonna wiggle like you. Dance, bitch, dance. GG. I'm gonna go get this for the money. Gina, I'm gonna go get blue. Heal up. He heals so quickly, it's so good. I don't have that. I wouldn't want to wait. One of them does 180 and then one of them does 60. Logic is too strong in this.
Attack middle tower.
Yes, and I'm blind.
Enemy incoming. Defend left lane. I might be small.
Nice.
Double kills.
Oh, G to the G.
Take middle lane.
I know I do. I know. And I'm gonna go take this.
I need the jungle buff.
He can have it. Don't go for me. I want it. I can't help him. Actually, no, I could. I could, but I'm not going to. Go for that. Help. Mana. Go home. So I'm gonna, on her, looks like he has right lane.
Attack! Attack! Okay, attack right tower.
So that's good. I could always go get mid.
Tactical fury.
So yeah, attack goes first.
Destroy
Good
the
point.
right enemy
Very
tower.
good point. Very, very good point.
Retreat right lane.
So this is going quite well at the moment. We should be able to hold them off well. Tell me Kumbhakana has 3. Nope, he doesn't. That's brilliant.
Be careful, right. I might be small.
As long as I know they're going to come and try and stake this. We should have this. I think we've done it.
An enemy has been slain.
G to the G.
Enemy spotted.
I have my ult, so I could get
Nice
involved.
job.
Seriously, Hades, who do you think you are? Who do you...
Attack.
Nice.
Killing spree.
Damn it!
Wait. Double kill. Rampage.
Nice, perfect timing. What? I ain't time that to take that kill. Jesus.
Your left
How
tower.
dare you? Oh, I'm gonna go.
Attack.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go with him.
Okay, right
Tap.
my way. Nice job.
I'm gonna go help left now. I'm actually doing quite well. From level 17, I'm ahead of everyone else here. And everything seems to be going my way.
Your left tower.
Get that. I'm gonna save
Retreat,
up.
retreat.
Finish. Well, I finished that. Go for that, and then
Retreat,
that.
retreat.
So
An
that,
enemy has been slain.
that, definitely. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, void shield.
Retreat.
Wow. No, they have nothing on me at the moment. Screw it. I'm gonna go. Sorry, that, then that. That, and then definitely. The reason I'm going Deathbringer, by the way, is not for the crit, although that is quite
Enemy
helpful.
ultimate incoming. Retreat.
Is actually,
Has been slain.
is it actually because of the power it gives you? That power.
Retreat.
I'm nowhere near. There's no point me even going over there. Or is there?
Shut down. Retreat. An ally has been
We will
slain.
go get a kill in your name, I guess. We will do something. Just remember that. Remember us as the people who did
We
something.
need walls.
I actually haven't died once yet.
Be careful.
I'm on my way.
An ally has been slain.
You're dead.
Right tower is under
I
attack.
want nothing to do with them. Just want to figure this out.
Coming right. Your middle tower is under attack.
No.
Help.
Maybe you guys could help.
Okay. Enemies incoming.
We could have a kill here if they came.
Out of
If they
the
came now, we could have a kill. Mercury, grab one of them. Oh, yes, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Your left tower is
No, come back here. I never said you could leave.
unstoppable.
Nice. Oh, he's dead.
Ally has been slain.
I'm even going wrong. I'm trying to run. Oh, damn it, that was annoying.
Is under triple kill.
G to the G. I know, I know.
Enemy
Nah.
missing left.
That was quite good. That went much better than I expected. Yes, I'm actually doing quite well this game. It's only been 19 minutes and I've got 8 kills. So I'm going to turn to base, get... I want Void Shield first, probably. Shit, what did I do? Oh. So my screen froze for a second, I panicked.
Be careful.
Yeah.
My way.
Whoa, that. It's much there.
Very nice.
Very nice. So I'm going to go push my lane up a bit, because it's the only... Problem is I've been rotating quite a lot, which is fine,
An
but...
enemy has been slain.
GG.
Enemy missing.
What's he on? So 16 versus 20. So yeah, our Kwang's doing very well. And our team, sorry, not their team. Their team's an idiot. I'm joking.
Enemies behind us. Attack! Fire giant! Fire giant!
I'm not gonna start Fire Giant. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for them. So I'm level 20 actually. They should have a kill here
An enemy
if they're careful. I say.
retreat.
Sorry for now. I can help. Oh, they have it. You can just tell when someone has it. Nice.
Attack! Fire giant! Nice job.
Go for it. Kumbhakana, can you... How much time? I'll do it. I can heal up then. Yeah, we should have this. 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna have to heal myself up, but it's worth it. I'm surprised they haven't surrendered. Well, actually, no, they're not doing too bad, I guess.
Okay. Retreat! Retreat!
Sorry about that, guys. My phone's going off.
Retreat!
Don't that.
Yes.
One minute.
Enemies behind us.
Oh shit. I cannot do this. Sorry. I can't answer it. I'm sorry. I'll return to base. Excuse me. Sorry about that. My phone went off.
Okay. Retreat!
And as much as I love phone calls, I couldn't answer it while I'm playing this, especially since I'm recording. And I'm going 9-0-6.
Okay. Be careful.
Ah! Sorry.
An enemy has been slain.
Hello? Good, I'm recording. I'm not sure. I think it's on the walkie dog.
Has been slain. Retreat!
Oh no, okay, thank you. Bye. Sorry about that, guys, I'll have to edit that out. Just somebody wanted recorded message and they called us twice. They're desperate.
Retreat!
I can help him if he dies, if he goes down. I can't help him.
Has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Come on. Bollocks, that was a good blink. I don't even care.
Act middle now. We need more.
Nice. Shit, I'm screwed. Oh, crap. No! Damn it! My first death. Yeah, that was my bad. I got greedy. I wanted to kill. Ah, damn, that was my bad. So what am I gonna get? Rage could be quite nice.
Off you go.
Ooh, that could be nice. I'm not sure what I want. Too late to get anything with stats. That's very good, I'm gonna get that. Oh god, I should have ran around, I shouldn't have gone back through. I'm sorry guys. Bad play from me. Where is it? 650, okay. I don't really need these anymore. So I want this soon. Alright, so I'm doing well. Al is doing just as well actually, except he's got a few more deaths, but other than that he's doing extremely well.
Retreat.
You can...
An ally
Oh
has been
god.
slain.
Looks like Kimberkana's dead.
An enemy has been slain.
I can have this. Nice.
Thanks. No problem. No problem.
Oh, good game, good game. So as you can see there, you guys, you have Chaac, a very powerful character, extremely good. Extremely tanky as well. You can see I didn't get very many defensive items, and I probably got about 1 or 2 maybe, and I was still extremely tanky. I mastered him, look at that. I'll just show you the stats. So my output damage was probably quite big. So player damage, yeah, I had the most. Ooh, Jesus, Apollo actually had quite a lot. Right, so other than Apollo, I had a lot of damage. Damage taken, I had quite a lot. I had more than anyone else, but I had no deaths. Well, other than Apollo again. Jesus Christ, Apollo. He had a lot of damage, and anyways, getting off the point. So there he is for you guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed that. If you have, please subscribe and leave a rating. Thank you.